If our government gets involved in monitoring the internet, we could all be in danger. This danger could come from our government not only monitoring what we see, but limiting the amount of knowledge we are able to obtain through the internet, similar to North Korea. This could cause an unsightly decline in the advances that the United States would be able to make technology-wise, and would end our freedom of speech. If this were to happen, where would the monitoring stop? How would our government look to other countries and to its citizens? Limiting information to the public is a terrible thing, especially since the American public tends to spend a lot of time searching the internet, researching many things that could possibly hurt our government or help them. The youth of this country have been indefinitely smarter because of their ability to figure out problems because of the websites such as YouTube. They can research how things are done and see exact steps in real time of what was done to solve this problem. If the government limited the amount of information we were able to obtain through the internet, we would slow our technological advances. If our technology's growth is hindered, we will slow the production of many things, such as medicines, crash responses and wrecks, and cell phone capabilities will halt. Our technological advances have helped detect cancers and give us opportunity to remove the cancerous cells. This has saved millions of lives. We have also been able to give gene replacement therapy, curing diseases that were thought to have no cure. If our government were to monitor everything we did on the internet and limit the amount of information we were able to obtain, we would no longer be able to achieve these phenomenal jumps in our medicine. Even that of acute medical care would be affected, such as our trauma care. The response to car wrecks is faster than it ever was because of systems like OnStar. This system can detect where the car was at, how fast it was going, and which directions the impact came from. This allows for treatment to arrive quickly. It allows for the EMTs to give treatment and know what happened so they can be prepared when they arrive on scene. There are so many things these systems can do and achieve because of our technological advances. If these advances were hindered because of the government monitoring and filtering what was available on the internet, where would it end? Many countries would take advantage of our need and make the United States a country comparable to that of North Korea. It would not stop at monitoring if they were to begin. It would carry to other aspects of our culture, like our freedom of speech that has been fought for on and off the battlefield. In conclusion, government monitoring could be very detrimental to the abilities of the United States. Our technological advances would hinder because of the government and would not stop at monitoring. They would continue to filter the content available to everyone in the United States. Our country's culture of researching and surfing the internet would be dramatically changed. It would be a disaster.